my bike check from Spin City Bike Co. Like it, subscribe, click on the ads, comment, just be cool. So yeah, I got the Eastern Hawkeye forks, purple, with stolen thermite, peg on here, stolen revolver, front rim, Primo binary light peg, Q-Sport gland, front hub guard, premium refuse resist, 2.25, folding in the front, sub-rosa hold-on stem, if I didn't already say that, I think I did, but yeah, 100 years bars, ODI, long neck grips, Odyssey par ends, it's all pretty good. Premium 1948 cranks, and Verde React chain reel, demolition bottom bracket, and premium slim PC pedals. Out back we got some sealed hub, I don't even know what it is. I think it's like Odyssey internals or Joytech or some, it's sealed, whatever. FBM hub guard, Primo binary lights in the back, and I got for C-post and McNeil nub, it's like expandable, and then hardy seat, no seat clamp, stock Eastern Chandelier frame. It's kind of a piece of crap, but it hasn't snapped yet, so just run it. Got the Shadow Conspiracy Interlock D2 chain, and for a headset, it's just some generic one, but it works, whatever. On the back, got a Odyssey quadrant rim and premium refuse resist back tire, and yeah, I think that's it. Thanks for watching.